A few months ago, NASA revealed the sound of a black hole, caught by their Chandra X-ray Observatory. There's a popular misconception that there's no sound in space, which originates from the fact that most of space is essentially a vacuum, where there is no medium for sound waves to propagate through. However, a galaxy cluster, a structure that consists of anywhere from hundreds to thousands of galaxies that are bound together by gravity, has abundant amounts of gas that enclose the hundreds or even thousands of galaxies within it, providing an opportunity for sound waves to travel. In the new sonification of this galaxy cluster, Perseus, the sound waves astronomers previously identified were extracted and made audible for the first time. Listen to this.